Hello and welcome to the OpenSAP course Building Apps with the ABAP RESTful Application Programming Model, Week 2, Unit 2, Creating Database Tables. My name is Karine Chutojomo and I'm a Product Manager for the ABAP platform. In the previous unit, we had an overview of the business scenario we are going to work on this whole week. Now, we will begin with the development of our read-only SAP Travel List Report app by creating the relevant database tables. On the screen, the area we are going to work on in this unit is highlighted in the development flow, the database tables for storing the application data. At the end of this unit, we will have two database tables for storing travel and booking data. We will also fill them with demo data and have a data preview in ADT. The text-based ADT table editor displayed on the screen differs considerably from the form-based table editor in the ABAP Workbench, but the same feature scope is available here. The table and field-specific attributes are specified using annotations. The table fields are specified between the curly brackets, and the keyword key is used to specify key fields. The table technical attributes are defined at the top of the table definition before the keyword define, for example, the enhancement and the table category. On the screenshot, you can see the semantic annotation used to specify the reference currency key for the amount fields, booking fee, total price, and flight price. Now let's go into the system and create these new artifacts. In week 1, we set up our ABAP development environment and created a package to group all exercises of the entire course. We also learned a few ways to speed up the ABAP development in ADT. During the system demos, I will use prepared code snippets to speed up the development, but of course I will explain the inserted code. This will help us focus on the main aspects of the implementation. I will be using the suffix 1234 for the various objects I'm going to create. Let's create a subpackage to contain the travel app. For that, right-click on the package and select New and then ABAP Package from the context menu. Enter a name and a description in the creation wizard and press Next. Assign a transport request and press Finish. Let's add the new package to our favorite packages to easily access it. Before we begin with the creation of the database tables, let us have a quick look at the ABAP flight reference scenario, which belongs to the namespace /dmo/. For that, I will add its main package /dmo/flight to my favorite packages. The reference scenario contains example implementations of the different wrap capabilities as well as various legacy implementations, dictionary objects such as database tables, domains, and data elements, and demo data. Let us have a look at the travel and booking data provided by the reference scenario. Make a data preview for that. The future scope of the reference scenario is regularly enhanced to cover new wrap capabilities and scenarios. Development guides for the various wrap capabilities and reference scenarios example are provided in the wrap documentation on the SAP Help portal. Let's now create the travel database table. For that, right-click on the new package and select New and then Other ABAP repository object from the context menu. Search for database table in the creation wizard, select it from the list and press Next. Enter a name and a description and press Next to continue. Assign a transport request and press Finish. The created table opens in the editor. The client field has been added automatically because it is a client-specific table. We can keep the default table-specific technical attribute specified at the top before the defined table statement and add the table fields between the curly brackets. I have inserted my first code snippet for that. The table now consists of the key fields client and travel UUID and table fields such as a human, readable travel identifier, the agency ID, customer ID, total price and overall status, as well as standard administration data such as the respective user or the time of data creation. The table field currency code is specified as the reference field for the amounts fields, booking fee, and total price using semantic annotation. We can now save and activate our table. Let's go ahead and create now the booking database table. Right-click on the dictionary table folder and select New Database Table from the context menu. Enter a name and a description in the creation wizard and press Next to continue. The package assignment has automatically taken place. Assign a transport request and press Finish. The new client-specific table is created. We can also keep the default table-specific technical attributes and go between the curly bracket to add the table fields using another code snippet. The table now consists of the key fields client and booking UUID and other fields such as a human, readable, booking identifier, the travel UUID to which the booking belongs, and the carrier ID, a booking record, as well as standard administration data such as the respective user of last modification. Let's activate and save our view. Save and activate our view. As we can see, both tables are currently empty. The travel list report without any data to visualize will be quite boring. So let's build a simple data generator to fill the database table with some demo data. For that, let us create an ABAP class. Right-click on the package and select New and then ABAP class from the context menu. Provide a name and a description in the creation wizard and add the interface ifooadt run and press Next. Assign a transport request and press Finish. We have a warning in the editor. We can use the ADT quick fix to add the method implementation and solve the issue. I will now use another code snippet to provide the implementation and then explain it. But first, let me replace the hashes placeholder with my chosen suffix 1234. Let us now have a closer look at the inserted code. First, any existing entries in both tables are deleted. Then the data is selected from the DMO travel table and inserted into the new travel table. The SQL function UUID is used to set the value of the key field travel UUID. The commit work statement is then executed to persist the data. The data selection has been limited to up to 200 travel records, but this can be changed if desired. In the next code block, the corresponding booking records are selected from the DMO booking table, joined with the previously filled travel table, and the data inserted into the new booking table. The SQL function UUID is also used here to set the value of the key field booking UUID, and the commit work statement is executed to persist the data. And finally, a success message is written to the console. We have saved and activated the ABAP class, and now we can execute it as console app. Now we can preview the data of both tables. We are done. That was it with the system demo, and we are now at the end of this unit. As a short recap, in this unit, you have learned how to use the ABAP development tools to create database tables for your demo app, and a way to fill them with some dummy data. Further reading for this unit is available in the appendix of this presentation. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next unit where we are going to create the CDS data model.